My name's Andy Phillips, I'm from Wales Audit Office. I'm today facilitating a combined workshop held by the Welsh Local Government Association and Wales Audit Office into the income and charging from waste services. The workshop is particularly about sharing ideas from within Wales. We've got people speaking to us from within Wales, but also from guest speakers outside of Wales. And it's about sharing ideas and not reinventing the wheel.
My presentation today was on the commercial waste services with the City and County of Swansea, how we've engaged with customers to try and encourage them to move from disposing of all their waste to come on board with a recycling message and to drive as much waste away from landfill and into recycling as we can. And how we've introduced charges and try to take the customers along with us on the journey to meeting our targets. The one key message I'd give today is that you need to engage with the customers, they need to understand the situation, what they need to do, and you need to engage with them at all times and talk them through each step of the process to move to a recycling culture as opposed to a disposing culture.
The presentation was about green waste charging, implementing that scheme in Denbighshire. It came about from the need to meet saving targets which had been imposed on each service within the council. I think the one key message I would say about implementing such a scheme is to get everything that you need to get lined up in place before you go public with the scheme. So things like the FAQs, getting your complaint templates ready to address those things which will inevitably arise. So make sure those things are done early, and then when they do arise, you're ready to go.
My presentation today was about charging for garden waste in Monmouthshire County Council. The benefits of still bringing in quite high tonnages of garden waste and also bringing in a steady income to offset some of the other costs and meet some of our other priorities. My one key message to other delegates is to do it. Residents may not like it in the beginning, but people get used to it. It doesn't have the huge detrimental effect on recycling targets that people think it will. It doesn't increase fly tipping as people think it will. And it is a service that we don't have to provide statutorily, so it can be charged for. So, and there are more important things than garden waste that the council provide.
My presentation was about charging for garden waste collections in our local authority. My one key message would be to do all your homework, make sure you've got everything planned in advance, and then take a very deep breath on the day it's launched.